Here, 5 ways to survive a zombie apocalypse.
Listen, no.
First, find a safe
Even I
place to survive.
we have
Second,
to be busy.
find survival tools. Third,
Ibiji or what the behind a woman.
fourth, weapon.
One is here.
And
Bina.
six.
Bene Mokani. Mokani.
Survivors.
Ati.
And
Simu hii betai.
Osalida.
Betai.